Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. You are watching a video about Thuong's life in America. My name is Thuong and I am living in Michigan, USA. I moved here last November, so it's been almost a year. Today I'm going fishing with my husband Cruz and his younger brother. Come fish with us and listen to my stories of life in America. Today is one of our rare day off. Normally, we would be working in the backyard, making it look nicer. Because I'm quite busy, my channel doesn't post video as much as before. There have been a few comments recently asking when we'll post cycling video. It's really hard to say exactly when. For those of you who don't know, we have a cycling YouTube channel called Two Wheel Cruise, which my husband runs. We often short videos of cycling, traveling and exploring places by bike. We cycle in Japan, Taiwan, Thailand, Singapore and Vietnam. After moving to Michigan, USA, we rarely posted cycling video on YouTube because we were busy with home renovations and settling into our new life. We ride our bikes sometimes but didn't film video. Cruz is actually very busy. Apart from being busy with gardening, repair in the backyard, he started a Pokemon card business last year. Really very busy.
First fish,
First fish.
first perch.
Sashima.
In the summer, we work outdoors. In the fall, we will cycling trips and exploring nature. Fall is the best season to ride in Michigan. We recently went for a bike ride with our neighbors. We will continue to ride, but posting video will have to wait a while. I know a lot of our YouTube friends love our videos. We will try to get back to it as soon as possible. If possible, we will return to Vietnam during New Year 2026, around January, February. At that time, I think we will have more time to make cycling video. By the way, Cruz bought me a new mountain bike. Do you remember my BMC mountain bike in Japan? This time, they're one of the same brand BMC, but it's green. I have ridden it that. Hopefully, before winter comes, I can use it to explore the autumn leaves here. Cruz said the leaves turn red around October. It's beautiful. I will definitely take a video and share it with you guys. My channel will probably have cycling video for you to watch in October. For Two Wheel Cruise channel, please wait a little longer. We are really grateful to you for always following and supporting us. We have just moved to a new place and we still cannot return to our daily life like in Vietnam, but it will be soon. Well, let me tell you about our fishing trip today. This is the lake at Cruz's brother's house. This is my second time fishing here on a boat. I got pretty lucky today. I caught a lot of fish like rock bass, blue whales. The fish was a bit bony, so I thought I would deep fry them and serve them with rice and miso soup. Sound great, doesn't it? It makes me hungry. My summer in Michigan was mainly repair the backyard, preparing the garden area for next year. I will record a video for you next time. It had changed a lot, much more beautiful than the last video I shared with you. I'm sure you will be very surprised. By the way, we just had a 2-day trip to Chicago. It was my first time there, so different from Detroit City, Michigan. We rented a bike and did a short ride around Lake Michigan. Everything was great. Stay tuned for my video. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you in the next time. Bye!